Well, I need a fork then or something, no?
No.
Oh, it's video. Okay, here we go.
That's more than one though, that's two of them, no?
Aiden, Ben eats the other one.
Short its head off him.
There's the bird, I think.
Okay, hold on, let's look at it. Could you point out the head?
I don't know. There's meat in there. I don't think that's a bird actually, that's mostly...
Okay, no, it's there. That's it. See that?
Mm-hmm.
How's the egg taste?
Eggs like eggs.
Yeah. Like an egg with chicken in it?
Let's just pull out the baby. Let's see.
No, let me go.
Let me go. I touched your food.
Oh, that's good, Rose.
Okay. Sorry, I touched your food. Yeah, let's see the... Make a voice.
Cheep, cheep.
Alright. Let her...
What's that?
Oh, yum. And how's it taste?
Did you just bite the head off the chicken? Ozzy?
Like it tastes like chicken with eggs. It tastes kind of Chinese actually.
Must be Asian chicken. Oh, Christine, what will your vegetarian friends say?
Oh.
So bloody?
No, it's
No,
organs.
it's yeah. How's it taste? Like chicken.
Egg.
Yeah.
What's in the tart?
That tastes like organ.